Hi, my name is Adrie Cardol and I'm a product owner at 2Increase, responsible for the Jobs Management Suite. In this product video, I will explain you the added value of the sales and marketing integration in the Jobs Management Suite. In the industrial equipment domain, sales cycles are often long and complex to discover the customer's needs and translate them in product requirements and a detailed offer. Advanced Job Management supports that by integrating Business Central's sales and marketing module into Jobs. The sales cycle workflow helps to organize sales activities for your projects and creates visibility on the sales pipeline. To use this feature, follow these 4 steps. To go from opportunity to job quote, first create an opportunity. This could be a contact which is not a customer yet. In the opportunity, you select one of your predefined sales cycles. Activate and update the stages as required. When the stage requires a quote, you can create a job quote. In the job quote, use the budget lines to calculate the project. Make new budget versions to separate between the different iterations of the quotation process. When the deal is closed and the customer approves, change the status of the job quote to open. If necessary, this will create a customer from the contact and close the opportunity. Let me demo this process for you. In this scenario, we are using sales cycles from the Business Central marketing module. You can create multiple sales cycles for different types of customers, markets or products. Per sales cycle, you can create stages. Use the completed and chances of success percentages to calculate the value of your sales pipeline and indicate in which stage a quote is required. With the activities, you can create tasks to be assigned to the sales staff. For this demo, I have created an opportunity for a new marketing system, and currently I'm in the 3rd stage of this opportunity. If I want to go to the next state now and update this to the next, then it tells me that I have to assign a quote. So cancelling the update and go back to the process and create a job quote. When I select job quote, the system prompts me to select a base template, and in the template, this is a template to create a job. You can set up a complete job structure, including the invoicing method and budgeting lines. And in this case, add-on marketing here is a contact, not a customer yet. So I also have to select a customer template. So by saying yes, the system creates a quote for me. And because I have prepared the templates in such a way that it represents the average type of projects that we do in this for this type of customers and for this type of systems, so it gives me already a calculation. Now going into the job task, job budget lines, I can start to update the budget lines and make it customer specific. For example, if I say, well, there's a little bit more engineering involved here, I'm going to need Marty here for 60 hours. Then immediately the value is recalculated and shown in the total value. The total is shown in here in the job summary. So from the job summary, I can see where I am as far as resource cost, labor cost, the total cost, and here the price total. So on this project, I now am planning to make a 34 or 35% margin. So that I can also add, and if I now go to the customer and have my first conversation, and the customer claims that he wants to make some changes, then I can go into the budget card in here and use the create new budget function to create a new budget. I can select the budget I want to copy from. So in this case there is only one, but if you have already a whole list of calculations, then you can also go back to the first one or whatever one you choose. I'm giving it a description in here saying first calculation update, and that will then create the new budget. So that is now the active budget, and from this budget page I can also go to the lines and show all the lines. Instead of going task by task, I can also work from this page, modify these lines, and to make it a little bit easier, I can sort them by the type, and for example first do all the resource lines and then all the item lines, and there's also a resource group in here, but this is also a way to work. You can add new lines. The only difference with the job task is that in this case you have to specify the task number that you want to assign it to. But when I am at the point that the customer and we are satisfied with the calculation, then I can set the status of the quote to 1, even select a reason code for later analysis, and that we want this one on best price. And from here I can then change the status to go from quote to open. So this now becomes an open job. And because add-on marketing is not a customer yet, it first creates a customer record based on the template here. So all that is done, and I now have an open job linked to the opportunity code. And if we open the opportunity here, and in the opportunity card we see that this is now it has added an additional action with the status 1, and the opportunity is closed. So that concludes the demo, going from an opportunity to a job quote to an open job. To summarize, create an opportunity for a customer or a contact. Follow the selected sales cycle. Create a job quote when required by the sales cycle step. Create or retrieve job budget versions in an iterative cycle. Request approval through the document approval workflow. And change the job quote status based on won or lost. Close the opportunity, create a customer. Lost quotes will go to the status completed. Thank you for watching.